Say goodbye to fat in 10 minutes, super easy HIIT workout. In this video, we present a super easy 10-minute HIIT workout that will help you say goodbye to fat. High intensity interval training, HIIT, exercises have proven to be effective in burning calories and losing weight in a short amount of time. This workout routine requires no equipment and can be easily performed at home. So get ready to sweat and burn calories with this intense, yet simple HIIT workout. HIIT workout. Fat burning. Weight loss. Quick workout. Home exercise. Welcome back to our fitness channel. In today's video, we have an exciting and intense workout routine that will help you burn fat in just 10 minutes. Stay tuned and get ready to sweat. Are you tired of spending hours in the gym without seeing the desired results? Say goodbye to those long, boring workouts. In this video, we will show you a super easy HIIT workout that will help you burn fat and lose weight in just 10 minutes. Get ready for an intense workout session that will leave you feeling energized and help you achieve your fitness goals. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is a powerful workout technique that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of active rest. This type of training helps to increase your heart rate, burn calories, and boost your metabolism. This workout routine consists of 5 exercises, each lasting for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. The exercises target different muscle groups and provide a full body workout. The best part? No equipment is required. So let's get started. Exercise 1, Jumping Jacks. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet out wide while raising your arms above your head. Return to the starting position and repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 2, Squat Jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower yourself into a squat position, then explode upwards into a jump. Land softly back into the squat position and repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 3, Mountain Climbers. Begin in a push-up position with your body in a straight line. Alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Continue for 45 seconds. Exercise 4, High Knees. Stand up straight and lift one knee towards your chest while hopping on the other leg. Alternate legs quickly as if running in place. Keep it up for 45 seconds. Exercise 5, Burpees. Start in a standing position, then lower yourself into a squat and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, perform a push-up, then jump your feet back to the squat position and leap up into the air. Repeat for 45 seconds. Congratulations on completing the circuit. Take a short break and then repeat the entire sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 rounds. Remember to stay hydrated during the workout and listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, modify the exercises or take a longer rest if needed. Consistency is key to seeing results, so try to incorporate this workout into your weekly routine. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this super easy HIIT workout routine and are ready to say goodbye to fat in just 10 minutes. Remember, persistence and determination are vital to achieving your fitness goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more workout routines, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.